Hey, are you someone that likes to gift give and you want it to be homemade? Well, this is the perfect solution for you or anyone at that matter. This is basically the Vevor Heat Sublimation Press and Cups. And basically I was gifted this from Vevor to do a video for it. So it comes with 8 cups, 8 lids, 8 brushes, 8 straws, 8 bases as well. And it also comes with the gift boxes and ties, so that way when you're finished with it, you can box them up and give them for gifts. So here they do send you the sublimation paper as well. We did not use that. We already had prints already made out. But here we're setting our heat press to the temperature that we needed it for. Now I will say with this, it does take a little bit of time. It took us about 5-ish minutes to set everything up on this. So P1 is how you're going to set your temperature. P2 is how you're going to set your time. And it all differs between what type of cup you're doing. So you can do 11 ounces all the way up to 30 ounces. And basically with the top there, it does all open all the way, but there's knobs on the back of this, so you're just going to make sure to keep the knobs tight enough to hold that cup in place. And then basically once you're done with the first side, you're going to rotate it 180 and press it again. Basically every time you open that door, it resets that time on the machine. And I do recommend getting a better pair of heat resistant gloves, just because these ones seem to die off on the cup itself. So this is our first attempt at doing this with the machine, and it came out pretty good for the first time us using this machine and doing it. And the very last cup that we did turned out really great, and that's this one. So I definitely recommend this if you're a gift giver and you want to make stuff to give for holidays or birthdays, things like that.